This demo is going to cover a new work log entry called Hours Worked. You can add this to a ticket by clicking on the Add to Work Log and selecting Hours Worked, and then entering a number like 2.5 or 6 or however many hours you worked on the ticket. The default for this is not printable, so it will show up on the ticket on screen, but it will not show up to the customer when you print the ticket. The purpose of this new entry is to allow you to optionally track how many hours your techs work on a given ticket. You'll see that there's a new report for hours worked in the reports section as well. So let's get started by first going to the Admin Center and then clicking on Settings. Once in the Settings area, I then click on Work Log Management. To see the new Hours Worked entry, I need to scroll down, so I'm going to scroll down. Here's how it looks in default with the Hours Worked prompt, the order as 27. The default text is like enter hours worked like 2.5. You can change that if you want to. And notice that the print checkbox is off, so it'll only show up on the ticket but not on the printout. I'm going to scroll back up to the top and then go back to the main menu. Now I'm going to show you a couple demo tickets that show you how hours worked can be applied. So let's jump to the ticket list. I created some bogus entries on these top 3 tickets. So I'm going to look at each of these 3 tickets and show you what I did. I need to scroll down a bit to the work log area, so hold on. This first ticket shows the same ticket, same day, but 2 different techs worked on it. Notice that I entered in 2 different hours worked to the work log with 2 different values, 5 and 2.5, on the same day with 2 different techs. I'm going to scroll back up and go to the ticket list. And then look at the next ticket that I messed with. I'm going to scroll down to the work log. This ticket shows the same ticket on the same day with the same tech, but with 2 entries. For example, maybe the tech went to lunch and then came back. So let's take a look at this. Here I show 2 entries for hours worked with 2 different values on the same day by the same tech. Okay, now let's scroll up and go to the third ticket. And scroll down to the work log area. This example shows the same ticket, but on 2 different days that was worked on by the same tech. So let's take a look. Here I see 2 entries of hours worked with 2 different values on 2 different days, but by the same tech. Now let's see what the reports look like using these 3 tickets. First I have to scroll up and access the main menu, then choose Reports. Well, you'll find the Hours Worked report in the Time Clock / Hours Worked section, so let's just click on that. The hours recorded for this demo were in between the 1st of November and the 1st of December, so I'm going to edit that to show a full month, even though I only messed with a few tickets for that whole month. Okay, my dates look good. So I'll submit to generate the report. I'm going to scroll down just a splash so I can show you the entire report. Okay, notice that the same ticket, same day is shown here. The same ticket, same day, but 2 techs is shown here. And the same ticket, different days, same tech is shown here. Further, notice that the report has a daily total for each tech, along with a grand total for the time span indicated. Well, that pretty much wraps it up. I hope this helps your business, and I appreciate your business, and thanks for choosing RepairTRAX. Have a great day.